Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of Turkish television to explore some of the absolute best series ever created. Join me as I count down the top 8 must watch Turkish dramas that have captivated audiences worldwide. From heart pounding romances to thrilling historical epics, these series have set the bar for storytelling, cinematography, and acting. Get ready to be immersed in the rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable characters that make Turkish dramas truly special. So, grab your popcorn, cozy up, and let's discover the magic of Turkish television. On number 8, we have Yali Japkini. Yali Japkini is a Turkish romantic drama about Ferit, a spoiled and reckless young man from a wealthy family, and Seyran, a strong-willed and grounded woman from a traditional background. Concerned about Ferit's irresponsible lifestyle, his family arranges his marriage to Seyran in hopes of reforming him. Initially, the marriage is filled with clashes and misunderstandings as Siran and Ferit struggle to adapt to each other's worlds. However, over time, their relationship evolves and love begins to blossom. As they navigate family pressures, personal growth, and external challenges, they discover that their differences might be their greatest strength. Yali Chapkini is a captivating story of transformation, love, and the power of bridging worlds. On number 7, we have Medcezir Tide. Medcezir is a Turkish adaptation of the American series The OC, revolving around the life of Yemen, a talented but troubled young man from a poor neighborhood. His life changes dramatically when he meets Mira, a beautiful and wealthy girl, and is taken under the wing of Selim Seriz, a compassionate lawyer who offers him a fresh start. As Yemen adjusts to life in the affluent community of Altinkoy, he faces prejudice, family struggles, and his own insecurities. Meanwhile, his love story with Mira blossoms amidst obstacles and societal differences. Medcezir is a compelling tale of love, friendship, and self-discovery, exploring the clash of two contrasting worlds and the resilience it takes to rise above challenges. On number 6, we have Erkenci Kush, Early Bird. Erkenci Kush is a romantic Turkish comedy that follows the story of Senem, a quirky and ambitious young woman with big dreams, and Jan, a free-spirited and charismatic photographer who runs his family's advertising agency. Senem begins working at the agency to avoid an arranged marriage where she becomes entangled in a workplace mystery and finds herself drawn to Jan. Despite their clashing personalities, Sanam and Jan develop a magnetic connection that turns into a whirlwind romance. However, misunderstandings, jealousy, and family pressure test their love at every turn. Erkenci Kush is a delightful tale of love, laughter, and personal growth, showcasing the magic of following one's dream and heart. On number 5, we have Kiralik Aşk. Kiralik Aşk is a romantic Turkish comedy about Defne, a sweet and hardworking waitress who is thrust into a scheme to save her family from financial trouble. She is hired by a wealthy woman to make Umar, a successful but emotionally guarded shoe designer, fall in love with her. Defne reluctantly takes on the job, but as she spends time with Umar, real feelings begin to develop between them. Torn between her growing love for Umar and the secret behind their relationship, Daphne struggles to navigate the emotional complexities of her situation. Kirali Kash is a heartwarming and humorous story of love, secrets, and the unexpected ways life can change when you least expect it. On number 4, we have Sanjal Kapimi, You Knock on My Door. Sanjal Kapimi is a Turkish romantic comedy that follows the story of Eda, an ambitious young woman whose dreams of studying abroad are shattered when her scholarship is revoked, and Sirkan Bolat, a wealthy and arrogant businessman who is blamed for her misfortune. In a twist of fate, Sirkan offers Eda a deal, pretend to be his fiancée for 2 months to help him win back his ex-girlfriend, and he will restore her scholarship. Reluctantly, Ida agrees, and their fake engagement leads to a series of humorous and heartfelt moments As they spend more time together, their staged relationship starts to feel real, and love blossoms amid misunderstandings and personal growth. Sanjal Kapimi is a charming tale of opposites attracting, full of humor, romance, and the transformative power of love. On number 3, we have Herjai. Herjai is a Turkish romantic drama centered around Miran Aslan Bey, a man seeking revenge for his family, and Reyhan Saduglu, an innocent young woman caught in the crossfire of a decades-long feud between their families. Miran marries Reyhan under the guise of love, only to betray her as part of his revenge plan against her family. However, Miran finds himself genuinely falling in love with Reyhan, which complicates his desire for vengeance. Reyhan, devastated by the betrayal, must decide whether to forgive Miran and fight for their love or walk away. As secrets unravel and loyalties are tested, Herjai explores themes of love, betrayal, redemption, and the possibility of healing even the deepest wounds. On number 2, we have Kara Sevda, Endless Love. Kara Sevda is a Turkish romantic drama about the passionate yet tragic love story between Kemal Sueder, a humble and hardworking man, and Nehan Sezen, a beautiful artist from a wealthy family. Their worlds collide, and despite their different social classes, they fall deeply in love. However, their happiness is short lived as Nehan is forced into a loveless marriage with Emir Kozuglu, a ruthless businessman, to protect her family's dark secrets. Devastated, Kemal leaves to rebuild his life but returns years later as a successful man determined to uncover the truth. As Kemal and Nehan's paths cross again, their forbidden love reignites, leading to a gripping tale of passion, sacrifice, and the consequences of hidden truths. Kara Sevda is a story of enduring love that battles against fate and circumstances. On number 1, we have Bir Gece Masali, A Knight's Tale. Bir Gece Masali is a romantic Turkish drama about unexpected love and the power of second chances. The story follows Zeynep, a hardworking single mother striving to rebuild a stable life for her young daughter after a painful divorce. Her world changes when she crosses paths with Khan, a charismatic and a wealthy businessman with his own emotional scars. Their lives intertwine during a chance encounter one fateful night, sparking a connection that challenges their past and opens the door to new beginnings. As Zeynep and Khan navigate their growing feelings, they face societal judgments, family opposition, and personal insecurities. Bir Gece Masali is a heartfelt tale of resilience, healing, and the transformative power of love. These captivating Turkish dramas will sweep you off your feet and leave you longing for more. Have you watched any of these? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.